are going to have to adjust your brakes though. Get a rag so we can find our minimum insertion line.
Wow, it goes up quite a bit.
Yeah, so right there. Right there's our line. So we can do it right there. Snug her up. All right.
You're gonna be famous. Is this your second week here?
No, I've been here all this season, and I did October of last season too.
When I started doing, I tried to go for this to make it higher.
This will just control the tightness of the headset. So if you're feeling some play back and forth here, then that's where you would adjust this. But the stem is just that single bolt on the quill style.
Have you ridden on the bike trail that's along the river?
I've walked it with my wife and kids. Maybe we made it 3/4 of a mile, stopped and watched the river, and then headed back. But I've talked with a lot of folks that have ridden up to like Falmouth and Bainbridge and such. So it's pretty, well, it's really nice. So I'm looking forward to it being connected to Columbia. All right.
Well, it is. The bridge is open.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
But and because I've ridden from Columbia up through here. We just got on the railroad tracks at one point, and then it's just kind of like a dirt trail.
Yes,
So
it's real narrow here.
Okay.
And you still have to get out at the boat club at the end. And then you could go across the bridge and go right to Columbia.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's great. So the bridge is open.
Yep.
I saw the article where they were building it.
Yep.
Now it's done.
It is open.
Awesome. All right. So there you go. Your stem's up about as Your stem's up as
Yeah.
high as we can go.
Can we tighten this at all? Or I made that loose by turning that. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I turned the top one. I know I did.